This is a tutorial on how to set up the iPad utilizing multi-tracks and the Playback app. As you can see, I have gone to the edit symbol and add song, and I'm going to begin to add the songs that are in the Planning Center setlist flow. You simply hit library, songs, search for the song title, and then you can begin to choose the correct key. So for our opening song, House of the Lord, I'm going to go in and choose the key of A, and I'm going to hit add song. It's going to begin to load the tracks in there for us. I'm going to continue to do this for each song. Again, going to add song, to library, songs, and then begin to search for the appropriate song and the appropriate key. They're all listed in multi-tracks, and you have a variety of each key that you would need according to your personnel. So I'll begin to add those songs in. Again, same process, adding in our third song here. It's a song called The Dove. I'm going to search for it, and then I'm going to choose the correct key. At this particular week, we're doing it in the key of G, so I'll utilize the key of G, and I'll add it to our set list. Now, one of the things you want to do for each of the songs is you want to link them together. So what you're going to see is I'm going to go into pressing the arrow in between each song. I'm going to choose overlap. What this will do is it will, when you play the track, it will basically string all of the songs together in one succinct motion. So when you hit play, it will play all the songs that you have chosen to overlap. And so I'm waiting here for the Dove to actually finish loading. Okay, it's finished loading. So again, I'm going to press the arrow, press the overlap button so that it strings each song together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a click track and a pad in the same key as the final song in the opening set list so that the MC has some music behind them. I'm also going to go ahead and overlap those so they just play right on into the set list seamlessly after hitting play. Now what you're seeing me do is I'm actually playing the tracks, and I'm going to make sure to go and adjust what we don't need in the track according to the personnel we have on the team. So you can see on the right, there's the master fader to get the output that you want. I'm going to go ahead and pull out drums because we typically always have a drummer. Typically, if we have bass player, I'll pull out bass. In this setting, we have a bass player, so I will pull out the bass because we won't need it. I'll pull out some of the electric guitars. Normally, the percussion and things of that nature are good. I'm going to do that for each song, as you can see me doing that now. I'm just moving through the songs, and I'm choosing the personnel. Based on the personnel we have, I am going ahead and fading out the tracks that we don't want and the tracks that we don't need for this particular set list. So you'll see me do that for every single one of the songs as we move through. So as you can see, I've sped up the video on purpose so you can see me setting up the rest of the tracks, pulling out what instrumentation we don't need based upon the personnel that will be serving on stage that Sunday, and getting everything ready to roll so that we can have a successful worship experience. So there you have it. That's all you really have to do. You don't have to save the set list if you don't want to. Everything should be good to go and pull right back up when we're ready for our rehearsal and sound check every Sunday. Thanks for watching.